You've been 5 weeks into a project and your UX manager or mentor hasn't checked in. You've got 15 minutes to prepare something. So we're going to do that right now. Take it away, Anna.
Okay, like everyone else, I started off with the brief, and this took me a bit to unpack because there are a lot of unknowns.
For this, I was really trying to look at how likely people are wanting to engage with the community aspect of the platform.
You know, you've done the research. Be confident that you've done that. What I would do is you sort of hold the user up as a shield.
And I have it down to like 2 main points that you see here.
15 minutes of prep, what do I cram into 2 minutes? Well, I've never done a 2-minute talk through this prep before. And I think that was amazing what you did then, where you basically had your thought process laid out. And for the most part, you got through, I think, top level most of it. Like, yeah, that was a pretty solid effort. How I think about crafting a presentation. So the first one is know your audience. So think about all the interactions we've had with Jamie and the team. Less is more. If you have 15 minutes of presentation time, try to make your presentation go for 8 to 10 minutes. What's one thing that worked well tonight that you enjoyed? And given we've got 1 week to go, what do you wish moving forwards?